Hi guys, this is Nagraj here. Welcome to the new video. Today we'll discuss about the EOB Global, the top crypto exchange in the world. So we'll see what are the features in that crypto exchange and what are the benefits we can get. Let's get into the video. Go to Play Store and install EOB Global. Install it. Before signing up, just know about EOB Global Crypto Exchange. What are the features? Go to CoinMarketCap and click the exchange option. So EOB Global, this is the top 7th crypto exchange in the world according to the CoinMarketCap, ranked by market capital, and it has more than 1000 market pairs and more than 500 crypto coins available in this exchange. Okay, let's sign up. Agree. So signing up, give your email ID and password. I've given the invitation code in the description below. Use that to get extra benefit in that. You can sign up by giving phone number also. I already have the account, so I'll directly log in. So you'll get the email verification code. And first finish your KYC. Click this icon. Go to ID verification. In this ID verification, you have to give your ID, password or driving license and facial recognition. So like this. Once you finish your KYC, it will take 1 or 2 days to verify. There is the welcome bonus, $300 plus 40 Dogecoin you will get once you finish all their conditions. Once the registration is complete, you will get $20. I have already earned the $20. And once you finish step by step all the levels given here, you will get $300 plus 40 Dogecoins. The main thing, you have to complete all these levels within 15 days of the registration, else it will get expired. We'll move to the second benefit. Because of the 8th anniversary EOB Global, they are giving 88% annual percentage yield. Second benefit from this EOB Global Exchange, there is an option EOB Earn. Go to this option, click that. So this 88% annual percentage yield only for the first time sign up users, and this is the first time you are holding these coins, then you can use this benefit. So 88% annual percentage yield is the big interest amount we are getting from this exchange. Apart from any other exchange, we don't get this much percentage. This is only for 1 week term, 7 days. For example, if you keep minimum 1 USD you can keep. If you keep 100 USD, you will get approximately interest 1.68 USDT. But if you keep if you hold other coins like BTT, example, if you keep 1 lakh BTT, you will get 1687 BTT for 1 week interest. And one more example, Shiba Inu, if you keep 1 lakh Shiba Inu, you will get 1687 Shiba Inu. So I'll show you. I already deposited into this NFT. I already kept it for hold for 7 days term. Again, whatever the balance is there, I'll keep it. Just select the max option and you will get interest of 34,957 coins interest in 7 days, and click the terms and conditions and deposit. Same way I'll keep Shiba Inu, the balance, whatever the balance is available, I can hold this. So I'll get 2110 Shiba Inu I'll get in 7 days as interest. I'll deposit. Same way I'll keep BTT. I'll get 33 BTT for 2000 BTT. So I've just shown you the example. You can keep all these coins. This is limited offer. You can use this because of the 8th anniversary. They given this offer. Third benefit is rebate. Once you invite your friend, if they trade, you will get 30% of their transaction fee. %30 is the I percentage commission. You can earn from this also. Once you invite your friend and your friend has to trade some dollar. There is a third benefit, and the fourth benefit is you can directly buy the cryptocurrency through INR. So you can purchase, you can deposit through INR. Example, if you want to deposit 1000 rupees and you want to purchase USDT, once you enter this amount, you'll have option to pay IMPS, UPI, PhonePe, Google Pay, anything you can pay through. You'll get USDT deposit here. So minimum 1200. So select here the payment method. So you have many options. You can select Paytm, IMPS, UPI, bank transfer, PayPal. There are many options. Many gateways is available. You can select whichever you want. Apple Pay, Google Pay, MobiKwik, PhonePe. So you can utilize this option to deposit USDT directly from INR. Once you, for example, if you want to deposit 1200, filter the option. See, this is minimum 2000 rupees, but you can filter the option here. So filter the amount here, and this is minimum 100 to 20,000. their option is Google Pay, IMPS and UPI, and select the success rate. Select the person success rate. Example, this person's success rate is 78%, this person success rate is 96%, this person's success rate is 100%. So you can select based on this success rate. Success rate means they will deposit USDT, they will convert the INR into and deposit USDT within short time, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. That is the success rate. These guys, they will deposit, but they'll take some time. But 78% is like they will take more time. So better you select more than 95%, who allow more than 95%. You select those and deposit it. So because of the 8th anniversary, they have given many benefits and options here. You can go through. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Thank you for watching.